Welcome back to Balaba Gist, my wonderful people. As we dey talk right now, we get many ogbonge news wey dey for our table. We wan bring come aside today, make una see as e take dey go. My people, they say that Nigeria have been calling for Bola Ahmed Tinubu to act fast before things will get late. That 1999 Constitution, they have to do away with it now, before it will be too late. My people, you don't read though. As we dey talk today, they say that the Biafran army capture one of Nigeria Air Force. As we see the guy for video when they eat a bar. My people, a lot of things are really going on. I will go play the video, show you as Nigerians say they talk, may they cancel the 1999 Constitution so that they go fit bring Constitution will go for them. But I think it's too late. The Biafran people have rejected Nigeria for once. Just watch the video before we come back and continue. Don't forget to share and also to follow us as well.
Those who are not Yoruba persons here, also a former governor, you know him well, Mr. Peter Obi. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Nigeria, like many other countries across the world, is a pluralistic country. That is a country whose population consists of groups of peoples that were long established in their separate geographical areas with different histories, different cultures, different languages, and religions. The universal lesson is that pluralistic countries which have survived as single political entities in unity and progress are those that have addressed their pluralism, that is their diversity, with genuine federal constitutions. And the other major challenges currently facing Nigeria. My warning, therefore, is that for the sake of preserving our country, the federal government and the National Assembly should not delay any longer acting what is clearly a universal lesson. We must have a true Nigerian People's Democratic Constitution based on the principles that underlined our 1960-63 Constitution, which was painstakingly negotiated and agreed by the founding fathers of independent Nigeria. As many of us in this room will have a biography of Emeritus Professor Càptùre, I will leave it to the book reviewer to tell us more about the book. But my final words are that the man whom I know simply as Jide Osunto is not only an accomplished academic, but also a patriot who was deservedly recognized last year by the prestigious Hallmarks of Labor Foundation through the award to him of the title HLF, which means a role model for our young people in how to achieve success through hard work and integrity. Thank you.
As they busy, they talk of how to restructure Nigeria and remove 1999 Constitution. Let me show you the current situation in Biafra land. This is Nigeria Air Force captured by Biafra Army. Watch the video.
Now, gentle the Yahoo, they talk to you.
Gentle the Yahoo.
That gentle way now they look for. See, I'm here.
One are they try to kill.
Then give you food.
Now be gentle the Yahoo give you food to eat now.
Now the food.
You are going.
Now the food of gentle killer. Gentle killer carrying food. You can't give the Nigerian. Are you from where?
I am promising you.
He's from Niger State. So Niger State, this is the Nigerian Air Force that joined together with Nigerian government to come and fight Biafra Liberation Army.
We are only fighting for our freedom, Biafra. Our own nation, Biafra. We are not against anybody. We are only seeking for our freedom. And we can't fold our hands looking for our enemy to come and destroy us. No, it can never happen. That is why we are picking up arms. And that is why we are facing.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. I'm going to bring this video also for you to show you as it did happen again today for inside Biafra land.
Now here, the angels are here. The angels are here. It's our right, not their right. May they leave our land, they know they're here. May they leave our land, they know they're here. Biafra shall be redeclared on 2nd December 2024. And then
welcome back, my wonderful people. You know, say sometimes if na Tunumbu talk na, or if na a very dark man, if na many people forget say we don't dey here before those people come, when I go hear them. Some self when I not go hear them. Why Nigeria government don't want to sit on round table to discuss issue of Biafra, and they enjoying holding Mazin and the car, thinking that this will kill this agitation? But as we are speaking right now, 99% of Igbos, 99% of all Biafras are ready to defend their land. Do you know that the Hausa youth are bringing up flag saying this is our own flag and claiming their own territory? Nigeria is gone forever. If you don't believe it now, or keep sleeping. You wake up and find yourself in middle of nowhere, or in middle of another country, or in middle of war. This is things that is facing Nigeria as we are speaking right now. More terror groups are rising in this same country that me and you are staying inside. And the government are busy borrowing money, embezzling money, investing overseas, enriching themselves, and sending the poor soldiers, the poor police, the poor military to go and buy themselves for no reason. If you ask them what are they fighting, they say they are defending a country who don't even care for them. My people, if you get brother, sister, will be military, will be soldier, I beg, may you give them a piece of advice and share this video. Thank you for watching.